Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you teeth whitening yellow teeth with coffee and lemon, and you won't need to go to the dentist. Teeth whitening, whitening your yellow teeth and will turn it to pearl white literally. All you need to do is use it once in lifetime and you will whiten your yellow teeth. All the teeth plaque will fall on its own and you won't need to go to the dentist to remove the teeth plaque and to get rid of stained teeth. This magical remedy whitening yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white in minutes, literally my friends, and it's super effective in getting rid of teeth plaque, any kind of teeth problems, whitening yellow teeth and will turn it to pearl white naturally. But before we start out my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and I prefer to use white toothpaste, so add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so. And add fresh lemon juice. I like to remove the seeds like so my friends. Then we need to add 1 full teaspoon of coffee. Here I'm using dark coffee, whitening the teeth super fast. Now mix well all the ingredients. Store the remedy to use it again. Keep using the remedy, and all you need to do is get your toothbrush like so. Dip in your toothbrush into the remedy and brush your teeth with it gently. Keep brushing the teeth like so. Dip and brush the teeth, and it's going to be super white naturally. It will get you rid of any kind of stained teeth, whitening the teeth from first use. All you need to do is use it once in lifetime and you will be amazed with the result. I hope that video will help you too my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.